We're looking at unit conversions as a way to choose and interpret appropriate units. Key points. You got to know a numerator and denominator. Any whole number can be written as a fraction by placing a 1 in the denominator. When multiplying fractions, multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators, then simplify if possible. So that's how you multiply a fraction. Example. So right here we got 2 times 5 is 10 on top. And 3 times 2 is 6. Now, which is simplified gives me 5/3. I could also have done this. I could have cross canceled. And now I got 5/3 to begin with. Now, steps. Write the given unit value as a fraction. Set up the conversion. 23 miles to feet. You need to know, so we set it up 23 miles over 1. So that's your first step. Alright, second step, fill in the necessary units. Make sure the identical units are diagonal from each other. So we need to know that 5,280 feet are in 1 mile. You know, miles are across from miles, so we cross them out. That's step 2. Okay? Fill in the appropriate conversion values. Now we're going to have feet. We have feet remaining. Multiply the fraction. So now we're going to multiply 23 times 5,280. You get 121,440 feet. Alright. Number 2, convert your age in years to hours. So 29 years times 365 days over 1 year. Alright, and then we're going to go to hours. So there's 24 hours in 1 day. Notice I cross out the years, cross out the days. Alright, now multiply that. So I got 29,000. 29 times 365. 29 times 24 equals 254,040. 254,040. And that is hours. Now, if I wanted to convert that to seconds, I could. I'll just say 254,040 hours over 1. I set it up, I multiply by the number of minutes in an hour. So we got 60 minutes in 1 hour. That allows me to cross out my hours. And then I got 60 seconds in 1 minute. Alright, cross out the minutes. So I could say 254,040 times 60 times 60 again. You get 914,544,000. Alright, seconds. Okay. Look at the work time here. Eric and Kim are actors at the theater and have become good friends. Kim has a leaky faucet at her house. Asks Eric to come over and take a look at it. Kim believes that the faucet in her kitchen drips at a rate of 1 drop every 2 seconds. Eric wants to know how many times the faucet drips in a week. Eric helped by showing the calculations. So we got 1 drop in 2 seconds. So we know there's 60 seconds in 1 minute. So we cross out our seconds. Alright. 60 minutes in 1 hour. So we cross out our minutes. 24 hours in 1 day, cross out our hours. 7 days in 1 week, cross out our days. Alright, and so now we know we can figure out the drops in a week. We got weeks on the bottom and drops on the top. Multiply the top and we get 604,800 over 2. Divide that and you get 302,400 drops a week. Becky studied for 2.5 hours. How many minutes did she study? So if I was going to set this up, it is 150 minutes. 2.5 hours over 1 times 1 hour equals 60 minutes. Alright, you multiply that, cross out my hours, end up with minutes, you get 150 minutes. Alright, next there are a couple more examples that you can screenshot or get a look at.